Are you kidding me, Boxycharm?
I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. If you are new here, welcome. If you aren't, welcome back. I appreciate you guys. Obviously, I'm sitting in my living room at the moment because Matt is playing D&D upstairs on the computer and I don't want to disrupt him. Plus, he's talking, so who wants to hear somebody else talking in the background? Anyway, today's going to be a short, but I was going to say sweet. It's not going to be sweet. I'm going to be kind of I've opened this May Boxycharm box up already and I'm not happy with it whatsoever. Let's just get into it. This is what it looks like. Super lightweight, and yeah, I just feel like these products were thrown in here. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this right here. Now this is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Facial Oil. I've received this in my Boxycharm already before. I cancel and then I I cancel Boxycharm at times when I don't want to get this, don't want to get some of the stuff that's supposed to come in that month's box, because I mean, I feel like a lot of people do that. And then when they see that maybe a product's coming in their box that they haven't received before, they want to re-sign back up for it. That's why I re-signed back up for last month, because I did like what came in that box. If you guys haven't seen that box, check it out. I do have a playlist of all my subscription box unboxings on my playlist. And so I don't know if they based it off of it, if it is not showing on your profile that you have received this product, or you just signed up, that they send you a product that you haven't received, but they don't look back to see if you already previously had a subscription. So yeah, I've already got this. I used it a few times and I ended up selling it. The other one, obviously, that I had, again, it's the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Facial Oil, and I just wasn't a fan of it. And then I got this right here. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Strawberry Lemonade Lip Gloss. Now, this lip gloss is by far one of my absolute favorite lip glosses that I have ever ever used. I love it, but I don't go through lip gloss like crazy. I have tons of different lip glosses. So again, this is a repeat. If I needed more of it, I would have been very excited, but again, it's a repeat. These two things I can totally sell and make my monies back from this box, but it kind of stinks having to do that. So the next thing is a Blink, B-L-I-N-C, Black Lash Primer, and I guess it's a primer for your eyelashes. Now, I do think that I'm going to try this out. This is one thing I'm not going to say I'm super excited about, but I haven't tried like a black eyelash primer before. I have like a clear one or like a white one, but I'm curious how this is going to work, so I'm going to keep that one. And then there's this right here, which is the Hourglass Vanish Flash Highlighting Stick. And this one is in the shade Champagne Flash. Now, the outside packaging is gorgeous. And then obviously this is the inside, and you have the product here. I do want to swatch it. It's very pretty. And to be honest, I do think I'm going to keep this one just because I don't have this product. And I have been really getting into cream contouring and cream highlighting and stuff like that. So I am kind of excited for this one, but I'm not like so overly excited, but you'll probably see me use this in another video. But the last thing I got right here is this Beauty Creations palette called Cali Chick. Now, the outside packaging looks gorgeous, but this is the inside. I didn't swatch anything or use it, but it's just not like, I don't know, to me this is like really boring. I kind of feel like Beauty Creations, for some reason, to me, I feel like I've found some of their stuff at the dollar store before. They do have some good stuff because I've used it before, but there's some of their stuff before. But this is just, for this to come into a Boxycharm is just kind of interesting to me, because when I think of Boxycharm, I always think of like high-end stuff, and maybe this is high-end, but to me, it's not really. So I feel like Boxycharm just really threw this box together, and I don't know, they're really just kind of bumming me out and boring me. So I'm definitely canceling. I'm going to be getting a few other subscription boxes from new companies that I have not purchased from before, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully those boxes are a lot funner and better and stuff like that. I did say I was going to go on a no makeup buy, but I don't quite think that I'm going to do that just yet. But anyway, what did you guys think about this box? Let me know down below. Let me know if you got the same thing as me. Let me know what you got. I was excited for this box because I saw tons of spoilers and I got nothing from the spoilers besides the hourglass highlight, which I'm pretty excited about that. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Like I said, let me know down below. Yeah, I love you guys. I have so many videos I have to upload. You're going to be seeing a lot of videos after this one that I pre-recorded that I've been meaning to get up. I've just been crazy busy lately. You guys will see that in another video coming very soon. I'm going to be filming that probably sometime next week and just giving you guys an update on life and everything like that. I hope you guys are all doing well. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.